August is National Immunization Awareness Month, and the health community is focusing on youth immunizations for the new school year. Dr. Anita Henderson with Southwest Medical is here to tell us about a back-to-school fair coming up where people can get those shots. I think, firstly, of course, welcome. Thanks for coming on. I think the first thing I want to ask is, what are the types of shots that children need to get when they're going back to school and some of the other services that are going to be available?
Yes, August is National Immunization and Awareness Month, and this is back to school time, so it's very appropriate that it is in this month. There are multiple immunizations that a child will be needing, and of course it depends on that child's age and grade level. So it is going to be important for us to look at their shot records, and we'll be able to give all needed vaccinations at this fair. So everything that's needed for school, we'll be able to give at the fair.
What type of information do parents need to bring along with them to help you determine what kind of shots or immunizations you need to give?
Well, certainly, if they have their child's a copy of their child's shot record, we definitely encourage them to bring it. But even if they don't have it, we will have our ability to bring up the state registry, which has a lot of the children's immunization records already ready for us to look up. But of course, if they have it at home, please do bring it. And in addition to immunizations, we are doing physicals, including sports physicals. So if they have sports physical forms, they need to bring that so we can fill it out. And I also add, if their child wears glasses or corrective lenses, please bring them so that we know that they can actually pass their vision screens.
Absolutely, that's very important. Now, what stops people from coming in and getting their immunizations? Are there still myths out there that maybe have people hold off a little bit?
Yes, there's still this, for some people, this persistent myth about vaccines being dangerous. The biggest issue, of course, was that vaccines were the cause of autism. And this was due to a particular study in the 90s, which has been repeatedly debunked and found to be not true. Multiple studies from very reputable organizations have proven time and time again that vaccines do not cause autism. So it is important to remember that. And we have seen the consequences when children don't get immunized on time. Last year, there was a huge measles outbreak, and multiple kids ended up being hospitalized and put them at risk for serious and even permanent damage.
All right, well, let's put on the screen real quick, if we can, the information about the clinic itself. You can see that information. We'll also have on our website, lasvegasnow.com. Dr. Anita Henderson, thank you so much for sitting down with us this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
All right, stay with us. Much more to come right after this.
Today's Now You Know segment on 8 News Now is sponsored by Southwest Medical Associates.